Hi my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So my loves, in today's video I'm going to be talking about some Nivea products that I have been making use of. Now if you watch my videos, both my recent ones and my old videos, you will know that I have made use of a lot of Nivea skincare products. Like, is it their cleanser, is it their serum, is it their face moisturizer, is it their body care products? Like literally a whole lot of Nivea skincare products. But this video I would only be dwelling on Nivea products that I am currently making use of, like as at the time I'm filming this video. Okay, so I have with me only 5 different products. I have 2 body care products, and then I have 2 face care products, and then I have one deodorant. Let's use that word. Now before we get into this video, as usual, please kindly give your girl a very big thumbs up. Okay, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, very important, so you'll be notified when next I upload amazing content like this. So we'll be starting with their face care product. Now I don't know if I mentioned that this is just like a review of Nivea products that I have been using. So this is not necessarily products that brightens the skin. This is more on the side of, checking out any Nivea product, probably a Nivea product that you would love to make use of, what you should expect before buying this product. Okay, when it comes to skincare, skin brightening is not everything. So please, if you feel like if that product is not going to brighten your skin, then baby, you're not ready to have a glowing skin. But that's not what this video is all about. Okay, but just know that skincare is not only about skin brightening. Please, I beg you. Okay, so we'll be starting with face care products, and right now I am only making use of Nivea cleansers, and I love to call this my double cleansing duo. So we have their micellar water, and then we have their foaming cleanser. So I've made use of other Nivea face care products before, like their moisturizer. Remember that's my my viral Nivea moisturizer, talking about their day cream versus their night cream moisturizer. By the way, I have a detailed review on those 2 products. Just in case you want to check that out, you can follow the link in my description below, okay, to check out that video. But the only face care product from Nivea that I am currently making use of is this their double cleansing duo. Okay, so I call this their double cleansing duo. That's not what the brand called. So the reason why I call this double cleansing duo is because I use this when I want to double cleanse. Okay, so this is their micellar water, and then this one is their perfect and radiant even tone cleansing foam. Now this is the product that I constantly talk about, most especially whenever I am doing my skincare routine for you all. I mostly make use of this. One of the reasons why is because I really love how this is on my combination skin. So on the body of this, it says it is good for normal to combination skin, and that's literally my skin type. I have normal to combination skin. Okay, so yeah, so first of all, before we go into this, when it comes to double cleansing my skin, most especially at night, and the night I want to use a micellar water instead. So this is a micellar water. So on the night I want to use a micellar water instead, this is the product I opt in for first. So I use this with a cotton pad to, like, first of all clean my face, then after that I go in with this one. Now there's something I want to point out, and that is there was another Nivea micellar water that I usually make use of before. I can't remember the name, but probably if I see the picture, I'm going to pop it up on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this particular micellar water, I noticed that anytime I make use of it, it irritates my skin, like it stings. Let's just say it irritates my face. Okay, so I was not comfortable with using that particular micellar water, and then somebody told me that, why don't you just get this particular one? And I was like, really? Okay, let's give it a try. And I am so grateful that I literally gave this a try, because this one does not irritate my skin as that their second own. Okay, so if you have a sensitive skin, I will advise that you get this one instead of that other one, because this other one has the tendency to irritate your skin, but this one has never irritated my skin. This is very gentle. As regards this micellar water, I would just say that first of all, don't expect brightening benefits. This does not brighten the skin. It only works for me to help me to like remove. First of all, I don't usually wear makeup like that, but anytime I wear makeup, it works, to remove makeup or sunscreens, and that's the major aspect where it's coming from. Let me know your thoughts if you've made use of this to take down your makeup. Does this really take down your makeup so well? For me, I can't really tell. I don't usually wear makeup like that. Okay, so yeah, this is one Nivea product that I am currently making use of. This one is almost done. This is their 5-in-1 micellar water, face, eyes, lips, and it is non-irritating. So after I'm done making use of this, I go in with my face cleanser to now second cleanse my skin. That's why it is called double cleansing. Now with this cleanser, I can use it in the morning, I can use it at night. Now just like the micellar water, this one does not like brighten the skin. That's what I've noticed. It's not a skin brightening this thing. Okay, it is just for me, I would actually say that this, first of all, it is very gentle on my skin. It lathers properly, okay, not not excessively, but it lathers properly on my combination skin. So it is perfect for people that has normal to combination skin. Okay, so that's all I'm literally just going to say about this one. It does not really brighten the skin like I mentioned, so it is not on the brightening side. And then I also noticed that this contains lactic acid to gently exfoliate the skin and to softly brighten the skin. But in overall, if you have like dull skin and you really need skincare product that will get the job done as regards treating your dull skin, you should opt in for another cleanser. This will not really give you that job, but let's just say this will only help you to boost your natural skin's radiance, but not really like so effective for getting rid of a dull looking skin or having that visible brightening effect. No, this will not do that for you. Okay, so those are the first two products from Nivea brand. Now let's talk about their body care products. I said I also have only two body care products from that I'm currently making use of, okay, from Nivea brand, and these are the two body moisturizers. I have made use of a lot of Nivea body moisturizers, like honestly speaking, and unfortunately all those moisturizers, I don't have any of their containers with me, but yes, I have made use of a lot of Nivea body moisturizers, and these are the two I found myself constantly repurchasing. So this one is their Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care, while this one is their Radiant and Beauty Even Glow. So I recently filmed a video where I broke down in details the difference between these two moisturizers. I don't know when that video will go live. I don't know if that video will be uploaded first before this one, or this one will be uploaded first before that one. But anyway, just turn on the post notification bell. That's why it's important to turn on my post notification bell, so you'll be notified when next new videos like this drops, or so you'll be notified whenever I upload this particular video. Okay, so because of I have filmed an in-depth comparison differentiation between these two body moisturizers, I won't be talking too much. I won't be going deep in the review of these two. The only thing I'm just going to say here is that this is where skin brightening now comes into play. So I feel like this brightens my skin better. So if you love more of a brightening skincare product, if you need a brightening body moisturizer, I will advise you get this instead of this one. This one is more on the nourishing side, and this one actually helps me to like properly moisturize my dry skin on my body. Note, these are body moisturizers. These other two that I spoke about are face care products, okay, and they are cleansers, they are wash off products literally. But these ones are body moisturizer. It is not wash off product. Okay, so this one is going to brighten your skin better. So this contains 95% of pure vitamin C. It contains pearl extract, turmeric, and it also contains SPF 15 in it. Okay, now for this one, it contains more of oils and vitamins. So it contains 5 oils. It contains avocado, almond, soybean, macadamia, and olive oil. And then for its vitamins, it contains vitamin A, which in that video I stated the fact that it is retinol palmitate, and I also explained that retinol palmitate is on the slower side and it is very gentle in terms of its effectiveness. Okay, so this contains vitamin A, also known as retinol palmitate in the like as regards this body moisturizer. It also contains vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. It contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin E, and provitamin B5. So it only contains 3 brightening ingredients, even if retinol palmitate is very slow, and where it is placed on the ingredient list here, it is also down. So you're not really going to get so much of a quick brightening result from this. And then the other 2 brightening ingredient that is here is niacinamide and vitamin C, which is also falling down on, which is also down on the ingredient list of this particular product. Then for vitamin E, does not necessarily brighten the skin. It's an antioxidant that just protects the skin from free radicals. And then it also contains provitamin B5. Now, provitamin B5 is also called panthenol. So this ingredient has no business with brightening the skin, but rather it helps to moisturize, it helps to nourish, and it helps to protect and repair the skin barrier. So that's for provitamin B5, also called panthenol. Now, it contains 5 oils, which is going to deeply nourish, your skin. So basically, I see this more as a nourishing and a better moisturizing body lotion. But this one, I see this as a brightening, but a lotion that does not moisturize the skin, most especially in terms of people that has dry skin or very dry skin. Now, if you want to use, if you maybe you want brightening, and you want to opt in for this one instead of this one, then I would advise that you use a body oil. If you know you have a very dry skin, you would definitely need a body oil with this particular body moisturizer. But if you don't have a dry skin, then you can just make use of this. I think it will give you a nice job as regards moisturizing your skin. But for me, I always pair this with a body oil because it does not moisturize my body well. But this one, most times I don't even need to pair this with a body oil because it already feels like oil on my skin. So I feel like anytime I pair it with a body oil, it just feels like too much, except if it's during Harmattan period that I would love to add an extra oil to better moisturize my skin. So those are the only 4 skincare products that I am currently using from the Nivea skincare brand or from the Nivea brand. Now let's talk about the deodorant that I am using. Oh my god, I did not come up. I did not come with other, like I have used 3 of this now. This is the 3rd one that I have used. So this is the Nivea Dry Comfort Roll-On. I have used other Nivea roll-on before. I think I've used their Pearl, is it Pearl extract. I've used their Nivea Men Dry Comfort or so, that is black. Nivea Men white and black like this. I can't really tell, but I have used some other Nivea roll-on. So with this one, I actually got this because I learned or I saw from other people's review that this is nice for for controlling sweating under. But I have a few take. The first take I have is that, first of all, let's point out the fact that first of all, I don't sweat excessively under my arms, but yes, I still do sweat under my arms. So that's first thing. Now the second thing is that I noticed that, first of all, it's not good to apply this when your armpit has not yet dried down. So let's say after your skincare, your body care routine, you need to wait for your skincare products to have dried down under your armpits before you go in with this. If you apply this, under your armpits when your other skincare product has not dried down, you're not going to be able to get that result or that benefit from the use, or the drying benefit from the use of this. Now, the second thing again is that after applying this under your armpits, you need to wait for some minutes. You need to wait for some minutes so that this can dry down. At first, it makes me feel uncomfortable, not too much, just a little bit uncomfortable because of how it still sits on under my armpits. But after some minutes, it dries down, and that is where the drying effect now takes place. So once it has dried down, that's when it is going to actually help you to control sweat under your armpits. So that's what I'm going to say as regards this. Now, another thing about this is that I love how it smells. It literally smells so well. It literally smells so good. So this is not only going to or rather, this does not only help me control sweat under my armpits, it also leaves under my armpit smelling nice. Okay, so yeah, that is it about this. And this is, as a matter of fact, Nivea skincare products are literally very affordable. Almost all their products, I mean, there are some of Nivea products that are expensive, but majority of Nivea products are actually affordable. This one I got it for 1,800 naira, but I know this can be sold for 2,000 to 3,000, depend on the vendor. So for this one I got it in wholesale price. Okay, that's why I got it that cheap, for 1,800 naira. Now, for the face care product, this one currently retails for 10,000 naira, or rather I got this for 10,000 naira. And then this one, I think I got this for 6,000 naira. I can't really tell, between 5k to 6k sha. Then for their body moisturizer, you can see on the body over here, this one I just got it recently. This one I got it for 5,550 naira, and then the price of this one is almost the same with this one. Okay, so yeah, that's the price of Nivea product, or of this Nivea product that I am currently making use of. So loves, let me know which of these Nivea products that you've made use of. Have you made use of this one? What's your experience with this, most especially as regards helping you to control sweat under your armpits? Let me know what your experience is about this their roll on, or any other of their skincare products that I mentioned in this video or that I did not mention in this video. Okay, so my loves, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please kindly give your girl a very big thumbs up. Okay, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, very important, so you'll be notified when next I upload amazing content like this. So my loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.